Well, it's your girl Po. I'm here. P to the O to the E, that's me all the time, and I'm fly, and I just don't know why, Welcome back. Hello. I'm here with my very first video. Wearing a lace front, putting a lace front on, doing a lace front. It's my first time. Anyways, I just got this wig from Afsisterwig.com. It's my first time and I really want to show you guys so you could experience this with me. If you have any advice or things that I should do differently or add, please let me know. I am trying to teach myself and learn. So I'm definitely not a perfectionist or the best at this. So don't chop me up. Alrighty, since I had already kind of been playing around with the wig, there's only a little bit of lace left, so I kind of am cutting those little pieces off to get it as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair all the way off. Yeah, so I'm doing that and cutting really close, super duper close. As I have read and learned and watched, I put my cap on and pull it past my ears. Add the glue. I felt most comfortable using Got2b glue because it's kind of like a spray rather than like the glue because I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing. But this is the cap method. And I put down about 2 to 3 layers of this spray, and I use my blow dryer on cool to help it dry clear, and then I just cut the cap as close as possible, as close as comfortably possible to my headline, because I was just so scared. I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to lose my edges. So like I really barely cut it back because I was just too scared. So then I add that sucker on just so I could see if I need to cut a little bit more pieces off. And I'm testing it out, pulling it down on the side. I need to see real quick, I already know I brought it kind of far down and my forehead looks small, but I don't care because I'm saving my edges. So I do see a piece that I feel like need to go. So I cut around, and I'm using my mineral powder. This is like generic brand of foundation powders in Golden Honey, and I throw on a couple layers of that. I add my glue like how I've been learning, because a little goes a long way, and then I use the tail end of my comb to spread it back a little. Use my blow dry on cool, let it dry that. Then I put my wig back on because I'm kind of like almost there now. I do one more layer of glue. Use my blow dryer, let it dry. After I use the end of my rat tail comb to spread it out, I pull my wig on, and then here, because again this is my first time, a lot of trial and error, I'm kind of like trying to pull it on and add it on little by little, but not really, because the other pieces of hair was kind of like sticking, and I'm like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, I just kind of take my time with adding it from the edges first, not necessarily focusing too much on the top because it's not that hard. And I use again the end of my comb to kind of like press down on the edges of the lace onto my cap. So I do that like about 2-3 times. Then I use my blow dryer on cool to help a little bit. And boom, wow, that looks so nice. I'm almost there. So I'm like, okay, maybe I didn't pluck it too much. This is also not pre-plucked, by the way. And I use my little razor to kind of like cut some baby hairs. And I do a couple of bushels on each side, even though I'm not that much like I'm a baby hair person, but I'm not a baby hair person. But I wanted to look more realistic, so I did, you know, cut the little pieces off so it could hang there and look cool on my scalp, on my edges. Boom. Okay, that's cute, sis. So it's a 6-inch deep part. As you can see, I'm parting it here so you can see how far it goes. It looks nice and smooth. The knots look cool. See, now I put on my little edgy scarf thing. Once I put that on, I use my InStyler. Now, InStyler is like a throwback. I don't even know if it's still available, but I'm pretty sure it's probably available at Walmart or something. I've had it for years and years and years, but I use the InStyler real quick just to help curl the ends and go through the hair. The hair is really, really short, and it was hard for me to see behind my head, so I didn't really like do piece by piece. I just kind of like did it whole pieces. Ooh, that looked nice. Then after I take my edge scarf off, I try to curl my bang as much as I can because it was a little long, and that's really about it. I mean, I'm comb it a little bit, you know. The whole process took about 2 hours in total. So this wig is very, very, very beginner friendly. It's a 13 and 6 centimeter lace front. It has 150 to 180 density from the top to the bottom. The knots are bleached. They could customize and bleach the knots for you. It has a 10-inch elastic band, and it's customized for different size caps. This is a finished product. If you want to know more information about the wig, I'm going to put all of it again down in the description box. Be sure to really listen through this entire video to get all of it in detail. If you don't feel like reading my description box, let me know what you think. I really, really like this, and I will be doing more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.